Hi everyone and welcome to another video, and all my new supporters, of course. My name is Ming. I run this channel with my wife, but you know she's not really the person who likes to be on camera. So of course I am your main host on this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and please click that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes everyone, so we're on our way to the dome. I mean, we've been at train already, and maybe I'll show a little clip of that, yeah. So I mean, it's going to be one full day of touring, so I mean, hope you guys enjoy, yeah? So today we are in Cologne city, Germany. Very big city, very nice, and I think the city, it has a lot to offer, yeah? So we're going to spend one whole day tour around, and I'll see if I can find some fun, yeah? Some entertainment. Today I'm in the beautiful city of Cologne, and of course I will be getting into some hard facts and details about this city and its past. Yeah, so today we'll be going a little bit more in depth of some German history, not too much, just a little. And to my personal observation, this is one of the most beautiful cities in Cologne. It's really nice, it's very active.
Of your name, and then we're gonna publish. Yeah, you know, anybody, you know, basically of course. At the moment I'm here for the money because I'm very low on money, you know, at the point. So otherwise I would not come in these days, but I came because I have no colleagues here because it's too hot for them. My winter is over 55 degrees. I didn't have my school, I would say.
So just some quick details about the dome. The length of the dome is 145 meters, the width is 86 meters, and the height is 157 meters. The style of the dome is Gothic. Personally, I love to visit structures like this very old building with a lot of history to it. Now, the dome, it has experienced very violent histories in the past. After the World War II, the cathedral remained standing while the rest of Cologne was completely destroyed, flat, by bombings and all that stuff. So, the years of building on this church, it began from the year 1248 until 1880, which is a total of 632 years. However, they stopped building this church on 1528 until 1826, which is the total of 295 years stopped built. So minus 295 from 632, the active years of building on this church was 337 years. So hi everyone and welcome. We have to be a little bit quiet inside, but they said that we pay €1 and we can light a candle for a specific reason, yeah? So now, you know, I'm lighting this candle for the prosperity of Ming TV, yeah? To my friends, family, yeah? So hopefully this brings some luck. Everybody will have a lot of success coming, so I'm going to light one candle on behalf of everybody, all my fans and supporters. So good luck everyone. the time of its completion, Cologne Cathedral was believed to be the world's tallest structure, a distinction it held until 1884 when the Washington Monument was finished. It counted to be the world's tallest building until it was exceeded by ULM Germany Cathedral in 1890. This feels actually like, I mean, this doesn't feel like the regular concrete at all. You know, this feels like it has a different texture to it. Yeah, I think this was on top of the dome when it fall or some stuff like that. But I'm not sure. I don't really want to give any false information, so I'm gonna do a little bit of research about it, and then I'm gonna get back at that story. But I think this was actually on the church.
I think that's the top for that.
Yeah.
And it must have been on the top of the church.
This church had some crazy sculpture inside, like some real historical stuff. You understand? Super interesting. Any at all, any one of my viewers are in Cologne, Germany, I would advise you to take 10 minutes of your time to visit this place. Yes, everyone, so actually from researching and asking members of the church, we were totally correct. That is a small piece of the building structure. However, Cologne Cathedral was badly damaged by Allied air raids in 1944, but the windows had been removed beforehand. By the year 1948, the choir had been restored and it was again in regular use, and the rest of the interior was restored by 1956. In the 20th century, work began to repair the effects of acid rain and its stonework. Yes, so right now I'm gonna get some nice drone shot for you guys, yeah? And also what makes this church a lot more special, its location. It's just a few meters away from the Rhine in a very active city. Walking around in Cologne all day. Kind of a bit tired to see, but you know, I can't end the day without a Kölsch beer.
Kölsch.
Kölsch beer.
I think it's written on the glass. Kölsch. Gaffelkölsch.
Gaffelkölsch. So now let's talk a bit about the Hohenzollernbrücke. The length of this bridge is 409 meters, weight is 24,000 tons, width is 29.5 meters. So let's talk about the cost of building this bridge and what it would be in other currencies. Now, the cost of building this bridge back then, it was 14 million Deutsche Mark. In euro, that would be 7.158 million euros. In US dollars, that would be 8.463 million US dollars. And in JMD, that is Jamaican dollars, it would be 1.267 billion Jamaican dollars. It was rebuilt in the year 1945 only as a train bridge. This bridge gets over 1,200 trains per day. It is the most heavily used train bridge in Germany. Now let's talk a bit about the locks on this bridge. There is not a lot to talk about. In 2018, this bridge has been estimated to have between 400,000 to 500,000 locks on this bridge. Now we've just purchased our own. That is my wife and my daughter. Now it's impossible to find a spot to put a lock, but we are going to pin it right on this little art here. So the moral of the story, you buy a lock of your choice with your design or whatever you want, and you can customize your own design. Now you pin it and then you break the key inside the lock so nobody can steal it, because people actually do steal it. So yeah, so you break that little white line. So after you break the key, you will normally throw it in the Rhine River and make a wish. So, let's do that. So, Shatsi, all three of us need to make a wish now.
Mm-hmm. Don't tell anybody.
So, I wish. Did you?
I wish.
Don't tell. Don't.
It seems like a very long wish.
Don't. At the same time. Otherwise we're not going to have to do it. Don't.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's time to.
You did this, Mom.
Of course. Close. Sure it. Only the key, nothing else.
Real?
Trying to get a bit of the nightlife, you understand me? I've just ordered
My tie.
Mai Tai, yeah? With some old man time on the top. Anyway. See you soon. Cheers.